Biography of Femi Adebayo Salami. Femi Adebayo Salami was born on December 31st, 1978. He is a Nigerian film director, actor, lawyer, producer and special advisor to the governor of Kwara State on art, culture and tourism. He is the son of actor Adebayo Salami, Oga Bello. He won the Best Actor in Supporting Role in the 2024 Africa Movie Academy Award for his role in Jagunjagun. Adebayo attended the C&S College, Ilorin Kwara State for his secondary school education. He then went to the University of Ilorin, where he obtained a bachelor's degree in law. He later earned a master's degree in law at the University of Ibadan. Adebayo began acting in 1985. The same year, he featured in his father's first movie titled Ogun Ajayi. Adebayo has starred in over 500 Nigerian films, winning 4 awards as Best Yoruba Actor at the 17th Africa Film Award, popularly known as Afro Hollywood Award, at the Stratford Town Hall in London. He also won an award in the same category for the Best of Nollywood Broadcasting Organization of Nigeria Award in 2012. Adebayo has a long list of movies to his credit, which include The Sonto Alakbata, Wura Ati Fadaka, Máa Wo Ìbàdàn, and Buga, among others. He is the MD and CEO of J15 Media Network Nigeria. Adebayo signed a deal with a digital TV platform, StarTime, as our ambassador. In 2022, Femi Adebayo was nominated for Best Actor in a Comedy, AMVCA. In July 2022, he was named as the ambassador for Cubana Whiskey, along with some other Nollywood actors. Adebayo married Omatayo Adebayo on October 9, 2016. Adebayo and his wife have one son. He also has 3 children from an earlier marriage. These are some of the movies that Femi Adebayo have featured: Owo Blow, Apadi, Jelili, October 1, Shola Arikusa, Heaven on My Mind, The Ghost and the Tout, The Island, Makalik, Diamond in the Sky, Survivor of Jelili, Jumbled, Mama Drama, Oroya, Special Jollof, The Miracle Center, Charge and Bail, The Cokers, Progressive Tailors Club, Love Castle, Cordelia, King of Thieves, Maleka, Dirty, World Famous, Jagunjagun, Mekolo, Ijogbon, House of Gar, Crossroad, Lakatabu, Queen Latifah, Beast of Two Worlds, 7 Doors, Lisabi, and lots more. Thank you for watching Eya Yoruba World TV. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. My name is Aduagba Oluwatoyi Babagoya. Thank you for watching.